Hi, boys and girls. How are you doing today? It is Wednesday, March 25th, and it's just a little bit before lunchtime. I thought I'd do a quick video before it was time to have lunch. So I want to do a few things with you today. First of all, I heard from some of you that you liked the last word ladder that we did, where I only gave you clues and you had to figure out which letter and which sound to change. So I'm going to do another one of those. You need 5 lines, and on the bottom line, you're going to write, I'm not going to tell you the word, I'll give you a clue though. You're going to write the word, and it's a CVC word. What is up in the sky that warms the earth? So that's your clue for that first word on the bottom line. It's up in the sky and it warms the earth. Now, you're going to make a change to that word, and it's just one change. So at the beginning of the school year, we had a fun, I want that second word, a fun, and at the end of the time that the boosters were with us, we went into the gym and went around and around in circles, and it was our fun, okay? So that second word is fun. All right, so now we've got warms the earth, and then what we did in the gym when we went round and round and round. Third line. This is something that you probably have a few of these in your house, and we put them on top of the hard floor and it makes it a little softer. It's also what we sit on when we come down to do calendar and morning meeting. We come down and sit on this thing. Okay, so you made one change, and now we're on that third line. What do we sit on when we come down for morning meeting and calendar? All right, above that, this word is another name for an insect. So you're going to make one change to that last word, and now the new word is another name for an insect. All right, we're at the last line. This is something that you can put things in. So maybe at the store, you put your groceries in one of these things. Or sometimes instead of calling it a backpack, we could call it this thing. Put things in it, you store things in it, you carry things in it, okay? So now you're at the top line. So I'd love, if you do that word ladder, I'd love for you to take a picture and show me so I can see how you did. And I hope you had fun doing that. I love to give you clues and have you figure out the sound and the letter. I have a few mystery numbers that I want you to try and figure out. So I'm going to give you 2 clues about each of these numbers, and you need to figure out the mystery numbers. They're kind of big numbers. So if you want to go to ABC, you can get that interactive 100 chart that we used on day 100 when we were looking for the starbursts all over the classroom. You can use that to help you so that you can see these bigger numbers. So here's my first clue. This mystery number is greater than 51 and less than 53. Greater than 51, less than 53. What is that mystery number? This next mystery number is greater than 47, less than 49. Greater than 47, less than 49. What's the mystery number? And the last one I have for you, this mystery number is greater than 84 and less than 86. Greater than 84, less than 86. See if you can figure out those 3 mystery numbers. Now I have a couple of word problems for you. This first one is about Ernie and Bradley. They're 2 of my doggies. So Ernie had some toys. I don't know how many. He had some toys. They have a lot of toys. So he had some toys. Bradley took 3 toys away from him. And now Ernie has 3 toys left. How many toys did Ernie have at the start? Okay, so he had some toys. Bradley took 3 away, and Ernie has 3 left. So how many did Ernie have at the start? And then I couldn't forget about Nala, my other doggie. So this next word problem is about Nala and me. I had an Easter egg hunt in my backyard. I found 6 eggs and Nala found 4. How many eggs did we find all together? So Easter egg hunt, I found 6 eggs, Nala found 4. How many eggs did we find all together? I would love for you to draw a picture, write the sentence that matches that. You can model it with objects that you have at home and write a sentence to solve it. So even if you can do it on your fingers, or even if you can do it in your head, it's good practice to show your work and write it out so that I can see the sentence. I have a writing prompt for you. It's kind of sad because it's about something that we miss at school, but I think it's a good idea for you to share this with me because I know what I miss about school. I miss a lot of things about being at school. I miss all of you guys. I miss my teacher friends. I miss my first lunch when it is teriyaki chicken. I miss our Kind Kids Club meetings on Fridays. So I miss a lot of things, but I want you to think of one thing that you miss the most, and we're going to write about it. So your prompt is, the thing I miss about school most is, you're going to tell me what that is, and then you're going to support it because, so I miss, my journal might say, the thing I miss about school most is the boys and girls in my class because they make me smile. That was my support. So I want you to write what you miss most and then support it, okay? Before I say goodbye, I want to give a special shout out to a few friends. Last week, I gave moms and dads some information for you to be able to go to a website called Raz Kids. And this site has lots and lots of Just Right books. And you can read them. And I think that they even will read them to you. It's a great website. And I wanted to give a shout out because I have some friends who have been doing a really great job reading those Just Right books. So Armani has earned 80 stars by reading books. Drew has earned 840 stars. Jason has earned 240 stars. Lauren has earned 2,300 stars. Miles has earned 210. Vidhan has earned 310. Will has earned 120. And the student from our class that has earned the most stars, you ready for this? The number of stars is 9,630 stars. And that person is Gavin. So nice job to all my friends using Raz Kids to keep their Just Right books, practicing those, and especially a nice job to those friends who are earning so many stars for that great reading that they're doing. So I am excited for Friday. We are going to do our Zoom meeting and do a little show and tell. So 5 students are going to show and tell about something that they choose from home. And next time we have a Zoom meeting, we'll do another 5 students. So maybe every Friday we'll do virtual show and tell. Okay. I think that's it for now. Keep your pictures coming at me. I love to see what you're doing at home. I love to see the work that you're doing and all the good things that you're doing to be a bucket filler at home. All right. I will see you Friday morning for our Zoom meeting. Bye-bye.